how I beat a 2000 opponent in Caro Kann defense. He just played with c6, d4, d5, knight c3, Caro Kann defense main line. So my knight is always the target to make some imbalance capture on have a check. That means making my queen should be off first on d2, e2. Then if knight b7, then it's a checkmate. So or knight into f6, have a check and make his pawn structure bad. This kind of setup. But I cannot play this because my d4 pawn needs protection. So I played f3 because I don't want to remove my knight from e4. So here started, and with f5 attacking my knight to even to capture a free pawn, but I got a trap. But he got a d4 pawn with the queen into d4, but I think he will be punished because this queen d4 early queen always not good in the opening. So it just the arrow was made in the previous recording, so I started keep attacking and knight bd2, knight g2, knight e2, then queen goes to d5, and I played again, and always he must save this bishop there because I have knight captures f6 and bishop into bishop f5 free bishop, so queen must always be protect that bishop. So I started attacking the queen. So early queen, you see he got a pawn, but he lost many moves, 2 moves already. See, he just making his queen moves. I'm developing, and again another third move now, and I have to protect my d3 bishop also by the time, but keep attacking queen, and now I attacking on the pawn on b7 and bishop d5, f5 as well. He must always save his bishop. So I now captured the bishop, he captured back, and I just got my pawn back. And so you see, just we think here, after this move my opponent going to resign. It's move long 11. So how I beat this Caro Kann defense, and yeah, I think you can easily see a 2000 player or my viewers can easily see that a trap is set here in the king side, the monarch is. So just you must save your king now, or you cannot, you need to think, see the tactics, but my opponent just forget everything. He just developing the bishop, but I have a, you see now is a checkmate here. I think I don't need, like I got murder. I need to tell you that just wait, think here, just I give you 2 seconds. I think it's queen d8 checkmate, and within a 12 moves I found this checkmate in Caro Kann defense. So hope it will be my first video in just opening, analyzing opening traps, and just I like to enjoy. I think my viewers will enjoy that opening. So many underrated player will get some opening insight, opening traps basically in our level. So hope you like and comment in my video. So, and don't forget to subscribe Shadhok Moves.